In this short video, we are going to talk about how to design text presets inside CapCut. If you want to design any other image or video presets to use later on in your videos, then you can design too. So we are just going to start with the text. And by the way, it's cold here today. The heating system is not working. So that's why I'm wearing these jackets and sweaters. Let's dive into it. Open CapCut and drag any video. Now we're gonna go to text. Here we need to design the text first of all. These are some presets I already designed. You can also use pre-designed templates in CapCut, as there are a lot of templates as well. But if you want to design some particular your own presets, then this video is for you. Go to add text and here click on add text. Here I write text, welcome to China, because this video is from China. So I scale it down. First we need to just go to system, change the font. Now I can go to colors. I can choose any color I like. You can give a little bit stroke, not way more, like this one 27 is all right. And you can also choose the background if you like. I don't like background. Here downside you can give a little bit glow. This one is fine, and you can decrease it like that. Give a little bit shadow so that it will be more visible. 41% is okay. I don't need blurriness since I also need like this distance. That's fine. Text is designed now, but here you need to remember that you don't need to give the keyframes or animations here. You just like design text here, and then in out animations we don't need right now. Go to text again and go to this one, add to brand kit, and here rename it as test preset. All right, so now I'm done. If I delete this text, it's all right. Now we need to go to text again and preset, and here is our text. Now drag it and it's already there. So why I was asking not to give the keyframes, because if you give the keyframes like this text, it will not animate in the presets. So just go to text again. Now you can reduce duration, and in the meantime go to first place, give a first keyframe here. Few frames later you can increase the size like that, and then go to animation. In animation, let's say this is the in animation, you can decrease the duration here. And for the out animation, I like glitch effect and also a little bit duration, 0.3 seconds is all right. Now if I go back and play, it will be like that, a quick zoom like this, and glitch effect. Now you can add some sound effects here. Let's say go to audio, and here you type whoosh. There are so many sounds, you can check them, and like this, drag this one sound here and trim the parts here like that. Text appear here, and now I can go to volume and decrease the volume so it's not noisy. Now if I play, right, now if I need this text anywhere in the video, I can simply click this one, and in the meantime I need this sound as well. By holding command or control button, these both are selected. Now command C or control C to copy. Now command V, command V, command V, you paste it and keep changing the text in your video. For example, this is test video, subscribe to Pro Athi. Here I can write thanks for watching, and now if I play all these from the start, it will look like this. Alright, this was easy and simple way to make a preset. If you want to make a preset of your CapCut brand or some pictures or videos, then you can always go to again media, and here your brand presets like images and videos will appear like this one. It's a preset, you can always bring it there. That's it. If you want to bring this one here, you can also bring this one to your timeline. If I go to adjustment and LUTs, here are some presets. I don't need to bring them all the time again and again to CapCut. They're already here. So this is how you can easily make some presets and save them in CapCut for your future video editing. They will already be there. If you like this video, then thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.